Okay, so these are the students who have submitted the homework. Okay, so let us see one by one their service. Okay, so I'm starting with this Naman Kumar. Okay, so first of all, you see here this is the list that you have to make in HTML. Okay, so this list is a nested list. As you can see, more than two lists are embedded here. Okay, so in this Linux, you can see one list that is containing three list items. In Windows, again, a list is there which is containing two items, and in 3 and 4, nothing is there. Means no list is included in 3 and 4 part. Okay. Now just see, this is submitted by Naman. Okay, so first Naman, tell me that here you have used OL type equals to 1, a start equals to 1, and why you have not written here equals to symbol here in this portion.
Sir, I forgot.
Here I am saying.
Yes, sir, by mistake I did.
And here also. Okay. So not only this mistake you have done here, other mistakes are also there. Just you can see here, OL type equals to 1, start equals to 1, and you have included one list item, means one LI tag for Linux, and here you have closed the list. But as you can see here in the picture, uh, so here you can see in Linux, one list is there. No? So this first list will be closed after this Android. No? The last list item is fourth number Android. No? Understood? I'll make this list in today's class. Okay? So don't worry about this. What is there? Again, here you have also not written equals to simple. So these are the mistakes you have done. Now come to this Vishal. So this is Vishal's copy, and is Vishal is there in today's meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Vishal, what is this L1? L1 everywhere.
Sir, list item.
So item, for item you have to use I, no, or one.
Yes, sir. I forgot.
Li tag you have to use, not L1 tag. Okay. Don't mix it with H1
Okay, sir.
heading. Okay. So this is the mistake you have done here. Now see, this is Shreya Rai. Okay, so in Shreya's copy, no major mistake is there. Only one you can count here. That here the first time she has used only OL tag, no any attribute of OL tag is used. Okay, so if this list is of 1, 2, 3, then you can write it like this. But if this list content A, B, C, D, then you can't use like this. Okay, means at that time you have to use a start and type attributes of the OL tag. Okay, understood? I'm asking everyone. By
Yes,
default,
sir.
if you don't use any attribute of OL tag, so the list will be of numbers, means 1, 2, 3, starting from 1 to 3 also. Okay. So, but if the list, if any other list is there having alphabets, so you must have to use attributes. So it is better to use attributes of OL tag every time. Don't skip this. Okay. So this is the screenshot of the output. So yes, output is correct as it is required. I think she has done in HTML editor in a smartphone. Now come to this Praveen. Yeah, this one is correct. No problem. But he can use also this type attribute to specify. But by default, the type attribute is always one. Okay. So if the list is there for 1, 2, 3, then you can use type attribute or you can skip also. Okay. Yeah. Output is also correct. Now this one is the last. Yeah, Prince, you have also closed this world tag.
Yes, sir, because it was nested now. So that was first OL tag.
Nested means this Ubuntu, Kali, Linux, Red Hat. This list is embedded in one. Na?
Yes, sir, that only I had closed.
So the first list should be closed just after this Android. Na?
So I did like that only, I think so.
Look here. Here from here you have started this OL. Wait. From here you have started your listener OL and
No, sir, one more OL is there.
where?
So
Okay, let
above
me
one
see.
more OL is there. In that is embed.
Wait. Yes, sorry. So yes, the list is starting from this position OL, line number 5. Okay. So now it is correct. Okay, so those who have not submitted, what is their problem? Means you can't do like this. Tell me first. No, any, nothing you have to say. Means I'm asking, can you write HTML code for this list or not? Tell me. This is the list. Wait, I'm writing this code. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll start with this HTML tag and close it. In this HTML tag, there will be two sections. Head section, and head section will be closed also. And after closing this head section, body section will start. And body section will be also closed just before the closing of HTML tag. Okay. Now in this head section, only one tag you can use, that is title tag. And here in this title tag, you can specify the title that you want to be displayed on the title bar. So here I'm going to put nested list. So it will be the title that will be shown on the title bar. Now here in the body, I'm going to take a BG color. So BG color, I choose CR and text equals to red. Now in H1 tag, I'm going to put a title, means a heading, and alignment will be in the center. So this is user defined text. So you can put any text of your choice. So now from here, I'm going to make this nested list. So look everyone carefully, and if you find any problem, any doubt, you can interrupt and ask. Okay. So now you can see here, it is a nested list. How to identify a nested list? So to identify a nested list, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is an outside list, means you can term this list as outside list or the outer list. And here in the first item Linux, you can find a different list which is containing 3 items, 1, 2, and 3. Again, in second Windows, you can find another list having 2 items, Windows 7 and Windows 10. So if any list appears like this, you can term this list as the nested list. So the simple method to make this list in HTML is to design this outer list first. Means this list containing 1, 2, 3, and 4 Linux, Windows, Mac, and Android first. So I'm proceeding with this method. Okay. So that is ordered list, and in ordered list, I'm going to choose its 2 attributes, type, and type equals to 1, and another attribute start, and it should be also 1. Now, how many its list items are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. It means here I have to use 4 times li tag. Okay, so like this I have used. Okay. Now after this, I'll have to close this OL tag. And in the first LI, I'll have to use this Linux, then Windows, then Mac, and then Android. So first one will be Linux, second Windows, then Mac, and the last one will be Android, like this. So now I'm going to save this in order to display its output to you. Nested list.html. Now let's see its output. Now you can see Linux, Windows, Mac, and Android. All these list items are displaying. But here at this point of time, I have ignored this Ubuntu, Kali, and Red Hat, means this list and the another list. Only I have displayed these list items, means these 4 list items: Linux, Windows, Mac, and Android. So is there any problem?
So you had given the alignment of heading in center. It's showing in the left side.
Okay. Now it will show in the center. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
So any problem? Anyone up to this list?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now you can see in the first list item Linux, there is another list, and this list is containing 3 list items. So now I'm going to create this list. So this list is embedded inside this Linux. Na? So I'll insert that and list just after this Linux. And the list here is also an ordered list starting with this 1, 2, 3. So I'll have to use again OL tag and its attributes type equals to 1 and start equals to also 1. Okay. Now here in this list, how many list items are there? So 3. Ubuntu, Kali Linux, and Red Hat. So now I'll use 3 times li tag. And after this, I'll close this OL tag. Since this list is getting over from at this point, means before Windows. So now here in these 3 li tags, I'll put these 3 list items as accordingly. Okay, so now I'm going to save this and now see the change. So now you can see now, is it appearing same as it is there in this picture?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Windows is missing.
Well, Windows is missing. I
Also
have
7
only
into 10.
7 and 10 I have not done here na, in this list. So far I have only embedded a list just after this Linux. Na.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So one question.
Yes, ask.
Sir, we will write type 1 and start 1 before the line is also and after line is also.
Whenever
this
you
item-
have to listen, whenever you have to create a list, then you have to write this OL tag if it is an ordered list. So whenever you are using OL tag, then every time you have to use these two attributes of OL tag, type and start. This one is for the first list and this one is for the second list. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, then again we will write third one. Then
Now
again we
see,
will use now OL tag.
yes, now you can see list is also there just after Windows. Okay. So I'll have to again embed an ordered list just after Windows list item. Means here in this space. Okay, here in this space, I'll have to put another list since it is there in this picture. Okay. So just
Okay, sir.
identify which type of list it is, whether it is ordered or unordered. What do you say?
Sir, ordered.
So it is ordered list. So again here I'll have to use OL tag, and inside OL I'll use its two attributes, uh, type. So you can figure it out. What is the type? So you can see 1 and 2. So the type will be 1, and it is starting from 1. That is why start value will be also 1. Now here in this list, how many list items are here? Tell me.
Sir, your screen
Sir, I
is not
cannot see the
visible.
screen.
Cannot see the
Yes,
screen.
sir, me too.
Yes,
No,
sir,
sir.
the screen is not visible.
Screen is
Now
not
tell me.
visible.
Now tell. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, now it's okay.
Okay, so there is a list embedded in this Windows list item. So what kind of list it is and how many list items are here? Tell me.
Sir, 2,
Sir, it's an ordered list.
Yes,
and
it
it
is
has
an
2 items.
okay.
And
So
it
here
has two
just
listed items.
just after Windows list item, here I have used OL tag. Okay, and here in this OL or the list, I'll have to use 2 times this li tag since 2 list items are there. Now the first one is Windows 7 and the next one is Windows what? 10.
10.
Okay, so now after this there is nothing in this list, so I'll close this list at this point like this. Okay, so now I'm going to save this. Sorry, not save as save, and now see the output. So now is it looking same as not in the picture or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now in this Mac and Android, nothing is there. So we'll leave them as it is. So now ask your doubts. This is the code. Now all of you can write now this type of HTML document for any list.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question? No, no.
No, sir.
Okay. So now in this output, if I want this list containing Ubuntu, Kali, Red Hat, uh, a list of symbols of circle, then what are the changes that I have to make here? Means I want this list Ubuntu, Kali, and Red Hat in unordered type, means a list having symbols of circles. So what are the changes I have to make here? Tell me.
So you have to replace ordered list with unordered list by using UL tag, and you have to put the shape as a disk.
Okay. So there is annotation option available to you. Okay. So we'll answer. Rohit Kumar, mark the point where I'll have to make changes. Mark the position or the line. This is the problem. Anyone? Yes. So Rohit is marking. Means at this point I'll have to make the changes. So if I want here unordered list, so I'll have to use UL tag, and in type attribute, if I want this list having symbols of circle, so I'll have to use here circle, and there is no need to use start attribute in UL tag. Okay, now this line is now over, and again here also I have to make the change in closing the UL tag, not OL tag. Okay, so now I'm going to save this and now see it in the output. So now you can see now this list is an unordered list. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Not everyone is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So in this way it will take total 2 minutes if I hear yes sir from you. So like this we can make this list also on unordered, means Windows 7 and Windows 10. Here you can see right now it is ordered list since it is showing here 1 and 2. But if I want to make it an unordered list having symbols of a square, so what are the changes that I have to make here? So the
Sir, may I
changes
tell?
here. Yes, tell.
Sir, here, so just a minute.
Okay. So here at this point, what I have to do? What should I do? Tell.
Sir, UL.
You
We'll write
will.
UL.
Okay. Then after you will.
Sir, at type we'll write circle.
Circle and not a square I okay. I told them at that time. So I'll have to write a square. Then
And sir, then we will we'll
is there
cut
any
that
need
start.
of
No, sir.
now after that? Okay.
Sir, again
Or
we
any
write
other change?
OL. Sir, UL. Yes, sir.
Here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here instead of OL, it should be UL. Now No more changes na required.
No, sir.
Okay, then let's see the output. So you can see now this list is now showing in shape of square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope this list topic all of you understood how to create simple list or nested list. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.